We are going down a trail, going to find a cabin, sleep there for the night. We're going to be trying out our new Osprey backpacks. I got a gray one. Here we has a blue one. Well guys, we are leaving the rooftop tent and the Jeep behind, and we are going to be walking a roughly 5 kilometers up to a cabin, and we're going to spend the night there. Should be an interesting experience. We are hiking with our Osprey backpacks. I'm not sure how much we have like weight wise, but it's definitely heavier than what we're used to. So we are probably going to be working a bit harder than we usually are, which is cool. It's just cool. Yeah, we'll let you know how things goes along the way, and we'll see you at the top. So to our right is where the other Forest Service road connects. We're currently walking on a Forest Service road. We parked near the main line. The first portion of this Forest Service road that we're on was very bushy and rocky, and I didn't want to get my vehicle all scratched up. So we walked it. Only like 500 meters or so, it's nothing. I do see the trailhead. We've started a ascent. It's a little harder with all the weight on our backs, but I gotta say the Osprey bags are great. Like, all the weight goes down into your hips, and it's just overall comfort wise just awesome.
There was a breeze going and it was going behind my back.
Nice. Back
Hot.
vent. I'm sure.
It's so hot.
That back vent is great for, what do you say, keeping you cool? Yeah, awesome.
I'm definitely not dry, but I can't do that.
There is a beautiful breeze. Feels so nice. Oh, you can barely feel the heat. Hey?
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah.
The sun is killer.
Out in the open with the direct sunlight. Oh boy, is she hot. This trail is pretty cool. When you're climbing, there's lots of like scenic viewpoints and of other mountains in the valley. It's pretty, it's very pretty. It's also a lot of dragonflies, which is great because dragonflies eat mosquitoes and we don't like mosquitoes. This nice little breeze we're getting too deters the mosquitoes away from us, carries them all the way to Timbuktu. Whoa, watch out, watch out, watch out. Get the web. Where do you rate this trail so far?
It's a little rocky.
Yeah.
I feel like it's more rough on my ankles than anything else. It's a beautiful trail. You're definitely not gonna end up going off trail.
If you had realized earlier in the video, the trail was quite big. Now there's a sign saying that this was the trail to the cabin, and it's quite small. It's pretty marshy. But good thing we have this nice little boardwalk to get us through this really wet, marshy section of the trail, thankfully. That looks like possibly a moose trail. I mean, if I was a moose, I'd go on the path that was kindly built by BC Parks. Hey. Well, after 6 and a bit kilometers up the mountain, we made it to the cabin. For a while there, we were wondering if there was even a cabin up here. It just seemed like you could never see it, you know?
Yeah, I'm like, should we just go back?
It's super nice, you know? Someone really put in some good work. It's like a house. It's crazy. So it looks like we can sleep up there, which is really nice. They have supplied like extra pillows, blankets, whatnot, in case you forget anything or you're stuck here and you need to stay here. They have like a full-on kitchen here. They have like wood fireplace. You got like barbecue outside, you name it, they have everything. We made homemade pizza the other night, and we have leftover pepperoni toppings.
It's a weird combination, but it's good. I might just be hungry.
You know what I love about what we're doing here? We don't have to do any dishes because we just boiled this in water, so it's like, and the only thing getting dirty is the fork. Interesting. The saltiness of the sausages pairs delightfully with the pesto. Yeah, more. Bugs are biting me. What are you doing right now?
Filtering some water. So we got some clean, safe water. I mean, anything really.
We are just getting ready to sleep. I'll show you what we got going here. We just have our sleeping bags. We got a nice sleeping pad. We didn't pack our own pillows, so a cool thing that we saw that Haley told me about that, and I was like, ooh, that's cool. You can take your sleeping bag cover and stuff clothes into the cover, and it makes kind of like a pillow. What Haley did was she took her fluffy jacket and just rolled it into the hood.
That's all. It's been fun.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed or liked the video, we would appreciate it. Just helps feed our ego.
He's thinks he's famous. I'm pretty sure I've bruised my hips.
What?
My retainer's down there.
Good morning.
We are on the way out.
It's a beautiful morning for a hike back down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we slept in the cabin last night. It was decent sleep, as good as it gets. Anyways, thoughts?
It's great. The only thing to keep in mind if anybody's planning on coming is everything they have out here has to be flown in, so it's very expensive. So like the propane that they have, the firewood, even using their biffy, they have to fly all that stuff out. So try to not rely on what they have there. That way it's there in case somebody needs it in a pinch. We brought our own little propane. And also, if you're gonna come, make sure you give them a donation because they keep this place running.
It's a super nice place to stay, and it's something you wouldn't expect to have access to, like out in the middle of nowhere. Well, so that said, it was a good experience. I think we should keep moving. I'm getting eaten alive by little mosquitoes.
Yeah, little bugs.